Hey guys, I just thought I'd show you all, do a little review on these here, the Winchester 168 grain open tip. I bought these for a test coming up I'm going to run for a future video, but these are brand new boxes. Look at that. Another one I noticed. I bought 2 boxes. Look at the shoulder on this ammo. Look at that beat all to hell. Pick another round right out of the gate. Yeah, the shoulder on this one here is even bent, beat up. And look at the crimp on it. And it's this ammo, I don't know. I'm kind of half scared to shoot it. I'm definitely going to contact Winchester on it. So, yeah. USA ready. Throughout this stuff here, I would be sketchy on buying. But thought I'd warn you guys. Let's see, pull another one out of the hat. I mean, look at that brass. It looks rough. I'm gonna pull another one out of here. Let's see. I'm gonna pull Ammo Inc. Pull Ammo Inc. out of the pile here. I'll show you what I mean. Pretty bad when I know a small private company has got cleaner brass. Than those guys. Come on, Winchester. I know you can do better. And what's funny, this box was $5 cheaper than that box. Sometimes big brand name is not always quality. A lot of times it's your smaller companies. See y'all later.